Hello and welcome to Trading 7 Academy. So today we will see that what we have done yesterday it executed perfectly. So I gave two signals, two setups yesterday. So first setup was, as you can see here, it was written yesterday. As if you want, you can go to the previous live stream which we have done yesterday and you can verify it. So I give buy on 2678 and the hedging point was 2673, and as you can see here market went down from 2696 to 2677.153, and from there market goes upside this buy setup, and the sell setup was on yesterday was on 2700 and the hedging point was 2705. And I mentioned here, but here if you can see, so market almost hit 2702 and then went down to 2690. So what we predict yesterday was done, but it was not done on the news. That's why we didn't take trades at that time and we closed. But today is a new day, and yesterday also we took one risky trade, as you can see on mobile, like we done sell on 2689.52, and first we booked our 10 pips $11.30, and the rest was break even. So now, so today is new day, so we will clear this up and we will look for new opportunities today. So I am clearing this up, this one, also this one. So today there is also news, big news coming at 6:30. We will go to Forex Factory and we'll see. So if you want to see the news impacts, you can come to Forex Factory and see what is going on. And on 6:30 p.m. there are like 5 newses. 3 are high impact news, 1 is medium and 1 is low. We'll see what will come. So today we have to search for the entry points first. Whenever you come, don't go directly in the market. First search your entries, then your SL if you take any, because I do hedging. Hedging means you go with the same, let's suppose you are buying on 2705, so instead of taking SL I will go with hedging. So what that means, so that mean is that I will go, for example, on 2705 I am putting 0.10 lot $10, so I will go on 2700 for the sell side against the first entry, the same lot. So what will happen is that in the middle, if there is $5, $6, according to my lot size, my money will be stuck in the market, but there is no loss on my capital. And these are the targets which I have mentioned. Like if you have to start earning from trading, you must have $1,000 in your capital. And remember, capital is the backbone of your, because you are earning on based on your capital. If you have less capital, then there is a risk on your capital that you can wash your capital very easily. So must have a solid capital like $1,000 and use 0.03 lot size. Targets, for example, you start at 2705 and market hit 2706. So you should book for your first profit as partial close. Second profit you can wait for 10% and the rest you can forget for the swing trade. How I do trading, I am telling you like how I do it. So first, so at 6:30 there is a news coming up. So first we will go and check. We'll take this line and from here. So from the downside, if you want to go for the buy, because there was no news, but even then market hit like here, then goes to 90, and market almost hit 2711. So there is also resistance on 2713. So we have a comment also. I am good, Glossy. How are you? So, mhm. So I have searched my first setup. I will write here also. So this is my first setup. What I will do, because if you are doing trading, you need patience, and how I do it, I always wait for my entries, not go directly in my trade. So you need a lot of patience. So we have a comment, and the person is asking how much time it takes for a person to learn about trading. It depends on of which purpose you are coming here. You must need time. According to me, if you have a person or mentorship, if you are taking from somebody, it will take 6 months. if you are a sharp person. So yeah, so today this is my entry, but market can come down to 2690 also. That will make double bottom and then market goes up, but we'll see what happens, because I am taking my entry point at 2698 and 2693. And why we are going for the buy? Because right now market is moving very fast on the upside and there is a war going on, so it's better not to take sell. From the previous 2 days we didn't have any loss, and even our hedging point doesn't open. You can go and see. Also we made some profit even yesterday and the previous day. So I'll put my entries on this demo account as pending orders, not going directly in the market. Because this area 2700 is very good for both, also for buy and also for sell. But if you see here, why I'm going for the buy is market goes down here to 2677, then comes back up to 2702, because now this is like a break off structure. If market goes down then, and then if market rejected here, we can go for the sell, but market crossed it and comes above 2700. So what I'm expecting is to come at this level. As you can see, market rejected before from here also, like 2 weeks ago at 2697.570. So I'll go with 269269 8.50. Why I am going above 50 cents? Because there will be some days market will not hit proper 2698.00. So I am taking a bit risk here, so buy limit. And we will also put our hedging point. Sell at 2692. So I put my orders, as you can see, on mobile. So we put our trade for the day. I don't do over trading like I'm doing 6 setups or 7 setups, because there is always a risk. Once you push the button of like buy or sell, you are taking a risk on your capital. So always take calculative risks what you think is best, and take actions according to the market, not according what you are thinking. And always be patient. Don't get panic once you started it. Always trust your what you are doing. Always believe on yourself. If a new person is coming, and as one person said that how much time it takes to learn trading, it takes time, but also tell you, but it's a boring game also, because you get depressed because money is involved here. So don't come in trading if you are watching any videos or advertisement from the broker that you will come and become rich, because here is a different game. You need a proper mindset, you need proper calculations according to your capital. If you are a new person, I will recommend to start with demo accounts to learn lot size, what are the charts, what are the best timing for trading, and so on. First, once you do it, once you do it, then you can come. You can only not learn in demo account how to control your emotions or psychology, because the real money is not there in demo account, so you don't feel anything. But once you put your own money in the trading account and start trading, then once you see red numbers as loss, then you get panic and you make wrong decisions. So always be patient, do your setups, and don't ever go on the news time, like you know that this time the news is coming, because at the news time before like 30 minutes 15 minutes market will not follow any setup structure. Always make your plan before 2 hours before going in any trade. So I'll mention my number also if you need any guidance relating to trading, or you have done loss or something, or you are stuck in any situation. You can contact us. I'll mention here. We also have an international number. You can go to intro video, and on the last of the video there are my international number also. You can contact us on WhatsApp there also. I'll mention that number also here. So these are the two numbers. You can contact us if you have any queries or you want to learn trading or for anything. We will guide you. And if you like trading or if you like my setups, please subscribe my channel, hit like button, and you can comment if you have any questions. So as you can see, market is coming down. And there is almost 1 hour 10 minutes left in the news. So we have a comment. So you can do trading for us. I mean, there are many people who take your money, make profit, at the end of the month they hand over your money with to them. Glossy, I write my numbers as you can see on the screen. Just text us on WhatsApp and then we can talk. First number is international. You can text us on WhatsApp +4672 185 0001. And there is one more local number +92320 9538 006. You can contact us and then we can chat. So if anybody wants to go for sell today, I will check for sell also today. And remember also, if like for example you are making a setup, any setup, and it goes wrong, it doesn't mean that you are not doing the right thing. It's just like sometimes there will be like manipulation. When the big pair comes, whatever you are doing will not work also. So whenever your setup does not work, it doesn't mean that you are what you are thinking and what you are doing is wrong. It's just like you must have using proper lot size according to your capital. And if somebody is doing trading with me, remember always use proper lot size. This is for $1,000 0.03, and if you have like 2,000 you can use 0.06 and so on. You can just multiply by 3. Never ever use wrong lot size, because brokers and the institution, because they suck the money of the intraday traders, and because they don't have the knowledge, they just want to make quick money and become rich very fast, and they give all their capital to the market. So market is at 2702. We'll see from where the market will reject, but it's coming to our point. We'll see whether this setup will work or not. Even this setup doesn't work, because what from where I see is there are like two possibilities. One is this: market hit 2690 and make a double bottom and then go. One is market rejects from 2698 or 2700. I can't take a trade on 27 because then it will be a very big. My hedging point will be almost like 70 pips. So I don't want that also. So this is my first setup for this day. If any new person is watching, so this is the setup on website. So so our first setup is on. We are taking on the buy side. Right now market is 2702.41, and if anybody wants to take sell, everybody has different style of the trading. How I do it, I am doing it live, that there is no cheat or anything like you can see. I don't make videos and then edit and then upload. It's all live. So the best selling is on 2726, 2726 and 2720. But we'll see where the market will go. So I'll explain one more thing. So for the new person, you must learn like market doesn't go in a straight line like this line. Market always go like you have seen like waves of water on sea. They always go in a zigzag shape. They never go in a straight line. They go like this. And also the market always move like this, whether the market goes up or like this. And on the news time, I'll tell you how a market moves. So market move like this. So I made three different lines, and I'll explain to you. I am explaining everything from basic. So if any new person is watching, they can learn easily. So these are the three ways how the market moves on the news time. One is, for example, market, this you can take it as a 2700, for example. News come, market will go like zigzag, but market will make a spike on downside and then goes back up. That's one way. Second way, market is on the top, make a spike on the upside and goes down. And the last is wherever the market is. For example, we could take 270T, for example, 2702, and market and news comes at 6:30. Even yesterday, if you are watching me on yesterday, market doesn't make a spike on down or up. Market, where the market was, market just go like this in a straight line. So these are the three possibilities how the market moves. We'll see today what will happen after almost 58 minutes. If you have any questions or you want to ask anything, you can comment and I'll explain to you. And if you want to learn trading, or you have any queries related to trading, you can call us. I have mentioned my number on the screen. Downside you can see the numbers are for international +4672 185 00001, and the local number is +92 320 9538 006. You can text us on WhatsApp, and we also have Gmail that you can email us on our trading7academy@gmail.com. So today there are 5 newses coming out at 6:30. 3 are high impact, 1 is medium impact, and 1 is low impact. And market is right now at 2701. We'll see what happens. You need a lot of patience, a lot of patience, because as you can see, we have done our setup for the day, and I also mentioned my targets. Once my entry is on, first thing I have to do is partial closing at 10 pips, 20 pips. Pips are cents. As you can see right now, market is at 2700.87. So 87, 81, now it's on 75. These are cents. So 100 cents are 10 pips, $1. For example, we are going at 2698. Sorry, I didn't mention. 0.50. Sorry, my mistake. So at 2698.50. So for example, market hits our entry point and we get in profits. So at 2699.50, we will be making with 0.30 lot, we will be making $30. So there is one thing you can do in brokers, partial closing. That for example, you put $10 and you are now in profits, so you can close your entry like $10 you put, so you can close $3 in partial close. So what I will do is, once market hits 2699.50, I will close $10. The second thing I will do is break even, and the third thing, I will close my hedging point, because once you done break even, there is no risk on your capital. Then you just have to wait for your next targets to be hit. You can come in trading if you have patience and if you have strong mindset, and you just need to know a little bit about maths, calculations, and taking decisions according to the how the market is moving. So market hit 2700 but didn't hit our entry point. But we'll see, because there will be days that what I have mentioned, it's my theory according to what I see in the market, because I'm here from past 4 years and I know how market behaves. Like, what is price action? If you see, like, on every price, what is the action, how the market behaves. So I'll explain everything before I'll tell you again. So for example, you take from 2700 to 2710, for example. So if you count, these are $10. So how market behaves in these $10, market will behave exactly at wherever, like 2800 to 2810. How market is behaving now in this $10, market will behave exactly on that 2800 to 2810. So for example, market is going down from 2700 to 2690. So how the market is behaving on the downside, market will behave the same in 2600 to 2590. So at 6:30 there are 5 news. Market is moving at 2702. We'll see what happens today, because market can go down very fast also. And remember, don't do trade on Monday and Friday, except if there is any big news coming up. If there is a news, then you can expect market to move also, but it's like a psychology game, because on Friday market is getting close, so people get tension that they have to make money. because it's not like you have to sit here for 24/7 or every day you have to come and do the trade. It's like you just have to come once you are comfortable or you are confident. Because on the Friday market is going to get closed on Saturday, because there is no market is closed at Saturday and Sunday. So people are depressed and there is like high volume also in the market, and they manipulate. Even yesterday, if you see, we were waiting on 2678 yesterday, and our hedging point was 2673. So this one, this green candle was the yesterday news candle. So market doesn't make any spike on downside. Market was on 2682 and go straight up to 2693. And as you can see this, once the news come and the people were going for buy, and the next candle, next hour candle, they crash the market, and as you can see, it eats all this candle, and like this it comes right down here, just to make people panic that what they are doing is wrong. And once people see like they are in loss, they just close their position. So I gave yesterday, you can go and verify also, I gave setup at 2678, and as you can see market hit 2676 and then go back up. And also yesterday, and what the people do in Telegram is in the morning they give like 6 7 signals. I don't recommend anybody to go and follow any signal, because they make their perception very good. Because in the morning, for example, market is at 2700 for example, and so in 1 hour they will say to everybody go for buy at 2700. So everybody goes for buy, and for example, and they will say break even and everything. So after 1 hour 2 hour, for example, market is at 2705, they will again say go for sell now, and people will go for sell. So what they do is in the evening market has to move one way or another. So wherever market goes they win, because they every day go, they give signal for buy and sell also. So for example, they give buy on 27, on 2705 they will say sell. So in the evening market will move on the upside or on the downside. So when the market moves, they will say, oh wow, we won today and we are taking 100 pips and 200 pips and blah blah blah. All bullshit. Whatever you see on social media, it's all fake. The big houses and big cars. The reality is they just want you to come, spend your own money from your pockets, and just give it to them. And because you don't know about the trading, how they scam people, they you just come and just click the button. Because even in the volatile market they want you to put the trade, and they want you to take higher lot size. Don't take lot size according to your capital, and then they suck all your money, and people lose all their money in one trade. So market is at 2700.92. We'll see what happens today. We are waiting patiently for our entry point to be executed. And remember this, as you can see on mobile, my both setups are done like a pending order. For example, my key goes down very fast. So the second entry is to not put my whole capital at risk. So the second entry for the sell side with the same lot size is to not put my capital at risk, just to minimize my loss. It's not a loss because I didn't close my entry, because people take SLs, I don't take. I recommend people to do hedging. If you are taking loss, that's okay. It's not like, for example, you have to take SL. You can do hedging, but it will only work if you are using proper lot size. If you are not using proper lot size, what I am doing, it will not work for you. So please use proper lot size according to your capital, and be patient and have a strong mindset. So almost 43 minutes are left in the news. Market is getting fast because there are 5 news coming up, and we'll see what happens. Right now, where the market is, according to my experience, I think market will go up, but we'll see what happens. And right now, if you see on mobile screen, market hit exactly on 2700, exactly, because from 2698 from and 2702 or 03 where the market is, this is all buying zone and also sell zone, the perfect sell or buy zone. Today if we get in our trade, it will be very good. You will see in future we will be in our sync trade, we will getting more profit. So right now market is moving very slow because after 40 minutes there will be speed in the market, and you will see the market, how the market moves. And at that time there is, that's not the best thing, like best time to make your setup or search for your entries. At that time, that time is just to wait and see how the market behaves. Even yesterday on the news time I was waiting for my entries, it doesn't execute it at that time, but after 3 4 hours it did happen how I predicted it, because predictions are analysis according to the experience. And for example, you put any setup and it didn't work, for example, so you don't have to go and do a trade on market execution. Wait for the next day, wait for a fresh start. If your entry doesn't go, that means that it's not your day. So just close your laptop setup because for trading you don't need much things. You need three things. First is a Android or smartphone. Second thing is you need capital. The more capital you have, the strong backbone you have. And the third thing is mindset. That you must have strong mindset, that you must follow what you think. Don't follow what is going on, because in the market when the big player comes and if the manipulation goes on in the market, they will make your mind think like 100 times that whatever you are thinking is wrong, and you will make wrong decisions. So always be patient and wait for your entries. We'll see what happens today. I am mentioning here my entry points so you can do it in a better way. I'm not doing it like very fast or when the news coming, so I am taking my trade so you can't follow. I all every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday I am started live sessions, and I do my all my work before going in any trade, so you can follow it easily. And once it your entries are executed, remember you don't have to wait for me. Once you see profit 10 pips, 20 pips, because at that time market is fast, so sometime you will book 10 pips, sometimes you will book 20 pips. So first you book your profit, second thing you have to do is break even, and you have to be fast, not getting slow or something, because this is money you are playing with. And also sorry for yesterday. At yesterday my there was any problem with my connection, so my live session get cut in the middle. But hope for the best for today. Market is at 2704.88. So now market is at 2703. Market hit 2700, but we will see in the next hour candle what happens in the market. So now we don't have much people who are watching us, but once our subscribers, likes, and watch people will go up, we will extend live session timings also. Right now I am doing from 5 to 7, then we'll see how much we can extend. Then we will do from 5 to 10 or 5 to 12 according to the day, how our day is going. So please share and like and subscribe also. If you have any questions, you can comment, or if you have any problem related to forex, or you want to invest in crypto also, I can give you suggestion how to invest in crypto also if you are interested. These are my numbers. You can contact us on WhatsApp. Now you just have to wait for the news. Even right now, if you see market hit 2711 or 27112, and then market is going on the downside. Why they make it like this? That not every time, but most of the time, that to make people go for the sellings because they want to grab people's money. So remember, what you are seeing is not, there is a quote like, what you see and what they will do is two different things. So even yesterday, if you are sitting with me at 6:30, yesterday the news came from 2682, my key went up to 2693. So at that time, I was very patient because my setup was at 2678. So what, everybody goes on buy at 6:30. So what they do is at 2693, they just crash the market on the downside, and market goes down to 2676. And then what they do is, for example, the people who are go first, they go for buy, everybody goes for buy, then they crash the market. So people goes in losses very fast, so they close their positions in loss, and everybody then goes for sell from 2693 to, there will be some people who book their profits, who are lucky they will break even, because there are some people, dumb person, they don't even break even their positions. And then you can see here my kit hit 26 here, 2676, and then my kit hit almost 2711. So always, if you want to do trading, go for mentorship or follow somebody, and first learn and then come and start trading. So almost 30 minutes are left. We'll see what happens. You have to be patient. And this is trading. You have to sit alone, and there's no nothing that, because you need proper focus. You can't watch movies or dramas or listening songs on the back end and you are doing trading. So I am keeping everything real that you can understand how the real trading looks like. I am not putting any music or something that you not get bored, because if you are getting bored or something, then I will not recommend you to start trading at all. So I am doing everything that you can see the clear picture how trading look like, the real trading, not advertisement trading that you can make $1,000 in 1 minute, 2 minutes. So as you can see, we are waiting. Almost 28 minutes are left in the news, and the new candle comes, hourly candle, and it's starting from 27. As you can see, it's starting, the high is 2704. We'll see what happens today. You have to be fast because two possibilities are there. As I mentioned, one is how we are going with our setup 2698.50, and the second thing is the market goes down to 2690 and then go back up. But we'll see what happens in 26 minutes. And I also manage a client's accounts. I have big capitals accounts of my clients, and if you want any services you can contact us, and then we can go on further. But first you have to contact us on our numbers which are mentioned on the screen. So now market is coming down to 2701.98. If you have any questions you can comment and then I'll answer that. So we are going today on buy side, not sell. Like it can go also on sell also, but we'll see what happens. We have done our setup at 2698.50. This is our entry point, hedging point. If you are taking SL, then use at 2693. And targets. Targets I have mentioned. If you are taking trade with me, the first target is 20 pips. Second target is 100 pips, 10% of your trade. And third is you can left it for swing trade, because the days will come market will only moves in only in one direction, and if you are a disciplined trader, then on those days you will earn a lot of money, and for that you have to sacrifice something from your profit every day. So 22 minutes are left. Market is just up and down, because every time if you see wherever the market comes at a certain points at the news time, and it will hit exactly certain points and moves in one direction. So I give those setups which are best. I don't do scalping. I only take 2 to 3 setups. But if my first setup goes very well, I don't take any more setups. Yeah, if loss happen, for example, today our trade doesn't go well and our hedging point also opens and we are in loss, then I will think and search for the entry and do one more trade, not more than that. So in this trade we are risking almost 160 to $170, which will be stuck in the market. And remember, this is not our loss in a trade. This is the money which will be stuck in the market, because you have to see the situation. Because for example, market goes down very fast to 2690 and market gives you time, then the second thing you have to do is to break even in both entries. And third thing is you have to see those entries. For example, market hit 2690 and both entries are on and you done break even. So market comes back up, hit your break even in one entry and the second entry is left alone, and market doesn't hit your second entry and goes down and down and down. So you have to, for example, right now market goes down to 2690, our hedging point also on, then first thing I'll do is break evens. Then I will wait for first thing I will wait, then market hit both entries and there will be no loss in this setup. And if market hit, for example, only the sell side, or which is on 2693, and market comes back up only at 2695 and doesn't hit 2698, because our first entry for the buy will be on, so then I will be waiting at 2693 again. If market doesn't break even my buy entry, then I will open again sell with same lot size on same number 2693 again. Then I'll be stuck on that situation, so I'll wait for the next day, because I'll see another opportunity to make that money which is stuck in the market. I will not wait for the market to go and break even my both entries, then I'll be out. Never ever trust the market. You must make plans before going in the market. So sooner or later there will be one day you will see that our hedging point will also on. Then I will explain properly what I'm talking about, because once it's on, then I'll be stuck in one situation. The next day I'll come and recover the money and close those position in a loss. But before closing those position, I'll make sure that I make that money. Even for example, I made the money which will be like stuck 160 or 170, then I'll see the situation of the market, whether market can go and break even my both entries or not. If not, then I'll close the positions. If yes, then I can wait. 17 minutes are left. Market is going up very fast. 2706. But we'll see what happens. Now this is not the time for the setup to put, because now if you see market, there is no clear picture. Market is just moving up and down very fast and making people think twice that they just make a gamble, right, whether market will go on buy side or sell side. This is not the time to watch the market or analyze the market. This is the time for waiting, just to see whether your setup will work or not. And for the new person, don't do trading on Monday and Friday. I don't recommend that. And these are the three possibilities in the market if you want to learn how the market moves on the news time or when the market is volatile. So, as you can see here, market went up. This is 1 hour candle chart. So this was the candle. Market moved from 2633 and hit 2649, and the next hour market doesn't move, but the third hour, you see, market ate all the candle from 2648 to 2622, and then market goes here. And whenever you see like this spike, this is fake out. This one, this one, oh, this one, this is called fake out. That what market is presenting to you, it's not true. So market is right now at 2706. The news is at 6:30, but if you see market is moving very fast now. But anything can happen in the market. There will be days market doesn't allow you, but we'll see what happens. So for this day, if you want to go for sell, So I am giving two entries because what I think for this day, what will happen. So market is now at 2708. So even right now, there will be some people who are thinking that you should have taken a trade at 2700 exact. You can take that, that you have to take a chance, but whenever I do my setups, I analyze market and whatever I think is best. For example, if today I'm thinking that 2698.50 is the best entry, so I will not go at 27, so I will not go. If it will hit my entry, then it's my day. If not, the next day, because every day from Monday to Friday market opens, so a lot of opportunities are there in the market. So you don't have to be worried about that if one setup doesn't work or you didn't take one trade on a day, then it's a loss or something. Not taking a trade is also a trade because you are saving your capital. So as you can see, market is pumping up, but it's market can make a spike downside also and then go up, who knows. But 10 minutes there, we'll see what happens. Because market today start moving very fast before news, as you can see. On mobile, this is all manipulation. The timings, what they do is they make you feel depressed, that whatever you are doing is not right. So as you can see, yesterday we were waiting on the news time, but I have made the setups, but it happened after 3 hours. This setup, you can verify it. You can go to the previous yesterday live stream and check. And today, before 9 minutes are left in the news, and market is still pumping. But we will wait for our trade, our setup to work. We will not go because it's a fight. It's not like, because what you are saying, they want you. Even right now, there will be some people will be thinking, oh, opportunity is there, we should have to go and take a trade. They want that to, they want you to put buy or sell this time. Then when the manipulation and the big volume comes, oh, your mind gets depressed and stuck, and you close your position in loss. 7 minutes are left. We'll see what happens. 7 minutes are left, as you can see in the news, and market is pumping because from 2698 to 2700, here the buyers are strong, and this is the buy zone. As I said in the starting, this is also good for sell, but you have to wait whether market goes like on the downside, hit 27, you take sell, and market like goes down. Right now this is buy zone from 2698.50 to 2700, and before news market is pumping on the upside, but we'll see what happens. Five minutes are left. So I'll put another trade for sell here. Two seven 25. So we are going for sell. There are 4 minutes are left. So on 2726. So I'm going to put my entries, sell, sorry, 2625. Okay, and and one buy order at 31. 2 minutes are left, and market is already gone on upside. So these are my two trades for today. and see where market goes and which entry market hits. Almost 2 minutes are left. 1 minute is left. And this is the second time market is hitting because there is a resistance at 2713, and the news comes, it's pending. Market is pumping, and as you can see on mobile, market is very fast. So according to the news, because as you can see, high impact data is negative, so it's for the gold market will pump, but we'll see what happens because right now if you see on mobile, market is moving very fast. So we'll see which entry opens, downside or upside. Because market is just here at 2713 is the rejection point, and my take is just rejecting from here, nothing else. It's like market is just stuck and just want to open the door and just move. And anything can happen in the market. You just have to be patient, because if you are doing trading with me, you need a lot of patience. You can't go and make rash decisions and then you are stuck. Because as you can see, news came, 2 minutes are done, but there is no big movement in the market, just holding at 2713. But we'll see how market behaves today. It's also not a good sign for the market if market is holding, because it's also very dangerous, because once it's broken, then market will fly. As you can see on mobile also, market is just stuck, not moving, because they also know that the news came negative and market should, the gold market should fly, because they know everybody is going for buy also, and now they are just making their mind that whether they took a good trade or not. You can take a trade because it's a rejection point with a small SL or hedging point if you want to do, because once this crossed, no. And most of the time it also happens to me, so whatever I'm saying today, it can happen after 3 4 hours, it can happen next in the morning or next evening, but almost 90 to 95% what I put my trades, these are like golden setups. But for golden setups, you have to sacrifice your patience. That you see, even today, according if you go according to the news, market should fly. But there is no big movement right now. It will come. The movement will come, but after 1 hour, 2 hour, you never know when the movement will come. Because right now, second time market get rejected at 2713, and remember, the third time when the market will go and push 2713, it will be broken and market will fly on the top. Right now 2713 is the resistance point, and once it's broken then it becomes support. Right now, previously when I came here, market was coming down from 271213, and even on the news time market is rejected from 2713. But our setups are there, we'll see what happens. So now market is just moving in 2711. You need patience and you need time for trading. You have to sit minimum to minimum 5 hours, because there will be some days you make money in 5 minutes, but there will be days, as even today or yesterday, market done what you are thinking, but it takes time. So you have to sit for 5 hours, sometimes 6 hours, and some. But you must keep eye on if you have your pending orders in your trading account. So if you have any questions related to trading, you can comment or you can contact us. If you have any queries or you want to learn trading, They are my numbers on the screen: +46721850001. It's an international number. You can text us on WhatsApp, or you and there is one more number: +923209538006. You can text us on WhatsApp if you have any queries or mess you want to ask anything. Market is moving very fast even right now, because in the market there the volume is there. So right now market is on 2711, but we'll see what happens. Because it's a January month, there's no big movements of $30-40 movement in the market. But our setups are there. We will wait today and we'll see how things goes for us. Market is just pushing upside and wants to break this 2713. The high impact news, as you can see, these all, and also the medium ones, no, these four. According to the news, if you are just watching this and taking a trade, market should fly. But why it stopped? Because they don't want people to make money in 2-3 minutes. That's why. It will go up sooner or later. There are only two possibilities, because if market goes down, what I think is it will hit our this entry point possibly and then goes back. Second is market goes from here in for 17 minutes, and then the next hour you will see market will go down from 2726 to 2714. Remember this. Now market break the resistance, and now from anywhere market can be rejected, from 2718, 2720, because the next resistance is at 2726. So that's why we take a trade at 2725. Above 2713, the market is okay, because then it can be rejected at there 3 points: 2718, 2720, and 2726. What we want from the market is market should go in these 15 minutes and hit 2726, and then we'll book some profit, because these are the two best entries according to me. Because even today we were waiting at 2698.50, and market hit exactly 2700 from 15 pips, but it's okay, no problem. Now as you can see, market is getting fast. Market almost at 2716. Market is pushing on the upside, so I'm hoping that market should go in these 12 minutes to the next resistance point, which is at 262726, and we are taking trade at 2725. We'll see in 11 minutes how much market can go up, because if market doesn't go to the next resistance, market can come back to this setup, this one, because they don't want anybody to make money and they manipulate a lot. 10 minutes are remaining. We'll see what happens. If the sell entry gets on in 10 minutes or not. See how market is pushing up very fast. And when the news came at 2714, market was just resisting there at that time, and then market goes down to 2710. They do these kind of things in the middle just to manipulate people that, oh, the market is rejected because there was a resistance at 2713. So market is rejected from at 2713 and market is going downside, so people go on sell side, and now the market is moving on upside. It make people stuck, and whatever you are thinking, it doesn't work. So market is at 2718. So there are like rejection points at 2718, 2720, and the last is 2726. The bigger resistance is at 2750. 7 minutes are left, and we'll see how much market goes up, whether it hit our entry point or not today. If not, you can take trades, this one or that one, because at 7 o'clock I'll be not live, but these are active trades. If anybody wants to take a trade, they can. If you need any help or need assistance, you can contact me on my numbers. So I told you the rejection points 2718 as market is rejecting right now. Second is on 2720 and the last resistance is at 2726. So these are the two trades which are open if anybody wants to take it, and they can sit in the market for the time, so they can do this. So for me, I am just living. So I will do the next live stream at Tuesday, same at 5 o'clock. You can subscribe our channel, and if you want any education or you want to learn anything according to forex or you want to invest in crypto, I can tell you how to. I will give you a proper plan how to spend your money and put all your, if you are going to like a saving in crypto, so I can give you a proper calculation how to invest in crypto also. So here are my numbers: +4672185001 is an international number. You can contact us on WhatsApp, and the local number +923209538006. If you have any questions, you can comment also, so I will give an answer later. And these setups are there if you want to follow those. So I'll meet you inshallah at Tuesday, same time 5 o'clock. Take care. Allah Hafiz.